howdy and welcome back to Seas to Trees Adventures. My name is Mikey J, and we're here at a Steamboat Rock State Park. Join the winter camping in this wonderful cabin that we decided to rent. But earlier today, Laws and I decided that it would be a good idea to take the Danes and go hike around this rock. It's a big old piece of basalt that basically was formed a couple 100 million years ago, and then the rock itself was actually formed from when the glacial floods from Lake Missoula came through this area and just wiped it clear of all of its, topsoil, and made a bunch of coulees and things like Steamboat Rock. So kind of cool. So tonight I'm gonna be making some chicken wings. I'm gonna have 3 different flavors. We're gonna do a garlic parmesan, an Asian sweet chili, and then just a traditional buffalo. So we'll be cooking that here on Camp Chef with our Dutch oven, and it's gonna be pretty easy. Not a whole lot of hard work to do with this one, and honestly, I'm a little beat after that hike, so pretty thankful for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get everything ready, get set up, and we'll go from there. Be right back. Alright, now that I've got everything set up and ready to go, I'm just gonna go ahead and get some oil into the Dutch oven and get that going. You're going to want to fill it probably about, halfway. The oil will expand just a little bit, so, don't overdo it. And we'll just, help if I turned on the gas. Alright. Get our lid back on our oil. We'll go ahead and just start on our sauces. So I've got everything together here. I also have a list of ingredients for all these sauces. Honestly, all of them except for basically the garlic parm has like 4 ingredients. The rest of them have 2. So we'll just start out with the Asian zing, or the sweet Asian chili sauce. I've got some moi poi, right? So just a good amount in there. And then to this, I just like to add just a little bit of sriracha, just to give it a little bit of a extra kick. And then just go ahead and mix that around, and boom, sweet chili sauce, done, easy. Alright, and so while that is, going, we'll go ahead and get the rest of the sauces going. For the buffalo, we're going to go ahead and use, maybe a couple teaspoons of butter, a nice big knob. We're going to go melt that over the fire. The rest of this, probably about 2 tablespoons, we're also going to go melt over the fire. Essentially, this is the base for both the buffalo sauce and the garlic parm. So, I'll be right back after I melt this butter. Alright, so our oil is sitting at about 350 degrees. So we'll go ahead and just drop the wings on in there, and then we can go ahead and finish our sauces out. So We'll cook the rest of those up a little later. But so to finish our buffalo sauce, I've went ahead and melted the butter. Just go ahead and grab some. So, right in there. Nice. Yeah. Just mix it in and set off to the side. Okay, so for the garlic parm, we'll just take a couple cloves of garlic. These are like the tiniest cloves of garlic on the face of the planet. This thing is just... You know what? I will be right back. Alright, now that my, we'll say fire smells like roasted garlic, that's super cool. That was the worst bulb of garlic I've ever gotten. So, yeah, that's real fun. Anyways, I brought some already minced garlic, so we'll just go ahead and throw probably about 2 tablespoons in there. You want to grab some Parmesan cheese. Actually, no, we're going to wait off on that. We're going to go and roast this garlic just a little bit. A little salt and pepper in here. I'm going to go throw this back on the fire for a couple of minutes, just see if I can't get some color on this. And yeah, we'll go from there. Alright, now that we've, let's say, warmed up and kind of toasted our garlic a little bit, you're going to want to take, let's see here, some Parmesan cheese. A little bit of grater. Yeah, I don't know, probably about a tablespoon, maybe 2. That's all up to you. Give that a little swirl around. Like that, and then just a little bit of parsley ought to help this out. Look at that big old stuff. Yeah, just mince some parsley. There. Just toss it around a little bit. Alright, and then all we're left is for the wings to finish frying. So, be right back, check those, and then we're eating. Alright, so it looks like our sauces are all put together. And it looks like our wings are about done, so I'm going to go ahead and get these on out. We're just going to go 2 into each sauce here. Alright. So yeah, toss these. Season the sauce. And because I don't care about, we'll say, getting other sauces into other sauces, because it's all going to go on the same thing in my belly, I don't really care. Alright, get these. Oh god, these look just fantastic. buffalo first. Well, that's solid. Just spicy enough. Just that nice like vinegar spice. Yeah, let's try out this. Let's see, Asian sweet chili. Oh yeah, I just love that sriracha. It's just got a nice little kick to it. Yeah, these are great. Oh yeah, now for the garlic parm. Oh, just super savory. Just super savory. Just the skin is crispy. Just nice, and oh, it's just beautiful. Well, I'm gonna go up and go ahead and fry the rest of these and get dinner going for Laz and I. Again, my name is Mikey J. This is Seas to Trees Adventures. Check us out on Instagram, Seas to Trees Adventures.com, Reddit, all over the place. But I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.